allotted for that. Myself, VK Dua, General Manager from Punjab Gramin Bank. We are going to start a financial inclusion starting from the financial inclusion. Our financial inclusion is based on the 4 pillars. Number 1 is account opening, and number 2 is micro insurance, and third one is pension and the micro credit also. So financial inclusion, the key feature of financial inclusion is enrollment outreach through PMJDY, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, covered excluding through government Jan Suraksha. The person who are not covered yet or who are living in the remote area, we are covering it with the Jan Suraksha Yojana. Increase the reach of the BCM model because it is not possible to go each and every person to the rural area, especially to the deeping rural area. We have adopted the matter of BCA, and we have appointed 209 BCA to go there to talk to these people to come through in the ambit of the ambit of the bank, so that we can contact this person and we can give them a benefit of all the facilities who are being given by the Punjab Gramin Bank. Spreading financially literacy through FLC, we have appointed an SLBC has given a task to give an 13 FLC. We have appointed an 13 FLC who are organizing a different financial literacy camp and going to the DP to the villages, especially to the remote village, and especially to the coverage of the people who are deprived from the societies. And if we are talking about, we have a special launch mobile financial inclusion van. We have taken a 2 financial inclusion van, and we are going in the process to take a 4 another financial van where we have equipped with a lot of things, and it will be covered in the slides. When we go for the slide, everything will be covered in the slides. So ensure micro credit through self-help group and especially JLG. We are giving a preference to the person who are in a low income group or who don't have any labor, who don't have any land. We are covering those people in a self-help group and a joint liability group, JL group. Now, if we go to the next practice, consistent efforts are being made for covering of the people. If we are talking about the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, consistent efforts are being covering to the people under the PMJDY, under the Jan Suraksha schemes. If we go for our progress, customer enrolled during 2021, it is a 39,026. If we are talking about till date, I am talking about this year, 25,409. But if total enrollment is concerned, then 3,72,144. System, if we have, this is a PMJDY. If we are talking about Punjab Suraksha Bima Yojana, then our enrollment is 192,504, and the customer enrollment is 255,409. Target under PMSY, we have achieved the 1,006% target. We have given a target of rupees covering the enrollment 25,380, and we have achieved 22,55,409. If we are talking about the Punjab, it is in a target 167.15%, all commercial, scheduled commercial bank and private bank. We are talking about the Punjab. If we are talking about the Punjab Gramin Bank, we have covered 1006% of the, we have achieved till date 1006% of the target. This is our USB. If we are talking about the PMJJY, then our systematically in the state is 119%. Or if we are talking about the PGB, then we have achieved, right now we have achieved 978%. And we have fixed the target for 1100%. Probably at the end of the March, we will achieve for that. For 100%, we have already achieved, we have crossed 978%. These are the things that we are covering it in the financial inclusion. Because we have an system, because if broadly say that we have 425 branches in the Punjab. Punjab is covering in 23 districts, and 95% of the branch is located in the rural area, especially to the deepening rural area where there is no banking system. That's why we are able to achieve this type of a milestone, and it is being appreciated in all SLBC meetings by all the dignitaries who are representing to the SLBC, who are the chairperson of the SLBC. Now next, if you go to the next slide, special campaign drive have been organized to achieve the goal of the APY. APY, right now we have achievement is a 74%. During the enrollment 2021, we have achieved 25,588. And this year, till now, we have achieved 21,899. If we are about targets, target has been given 29,470. Right now, we have reached 74%. In this area, we were not able to achieve the target till now, but 100% we assured that we will achieve the target. Because of the COVID situation, we are not able to move in the field, or our BCs are not able to move in the field. That's why we are not able to achieve the target. But every time, if I am talking about APY, APY has started in a lot of annual award, outperformance award, wonders award. In this year, more than 21 awards we got from the PFRD, especially in the APY. If we am talking about the APY, then 21 award, more than 21 award, we got an award from PFRDA to achieve the target of event, because we are starting in the Wednesday award, Monday award, some campaign award, every award we achieve. In that award, we have not only achieved the target, we have surpassed with a sufficient question. This is one of the our running USB. Now, if we talk to the next slide, and we will talk about the financial literacy centers, we have been allotted at 13 financial literacy council, and this financial literacy council I organizing in a camps, going in a different villages, especially to those villages where there is a no approach, where the person has not where the person are unbanked, and we are trying to keeping that person in a banking ambit of the banking. So right now, in this year, we have achieved it. We have organized 837 FI camps, and this month we have achieved 104 camps. Approximately 941 we have achieved till date. I'm talking about today. If we are talking about 941, we have achieved, organized the camp by the FLCs. The main work of the FLC is to literate the person, to tell the schemes, to uplift the poor person, and to come the poor person in ambit of the banks, in ambit of the schemes of the banks. What are the concern of the governments, and what are the concern of the especially PGB? This is the main task of the Financial Literacy Center, Financial Literacy Council. Right, till date we have opened the accounts in the camps 11,262 this year. I'm talking about this year. With the help of these financial literacy counselors, we had opened 11,262 accounts, and we had coverage Jan Suraksha scheme, different Jan Solution scheme, PMSY, PMJGY, APY 8064, 3021 and 126 respectively. These are the achievement of the Financial Literacy Council. Now come to the new innovatives. This is one of the new innovatives. With the help of the NABARD, we have taken in a 2 financially literacy vans, where these literacy vans are equipped with all amenity regarding mobile ATMs, LED display for the video for the purpose of the people, audio system for addressing the people, pamphlet of bank schemes, especially to the credit, solar panel for interrupted power supply. This is one of the feature of the ATM also, and 2 dedicated staff who are guiding the people. On the spot, they are guiding the people. They are telling that these are our schemes. These are the targets of the government of India, especially to the weaker person, especially to those persons who don't have any account in the bank. Because right now, the target given by the Prime Minister is that each and every person should have an account in the banks, either A bank or B bank, because we want to encourage them, because they are keeping the money in itself and they are losing the money. They are losing the interest because of the inflation. They are losing the interest, and they don't know the banking system also, and they are still in the crunch of the middleman person. Whenever they have required some money, they are going to the middleman person, and they are taking any wrong benefit of that person. So they are, whatever they are earning, they are eating the earning. Middleman person are eating the earning of that poor person. Now next we will go to the BCA. We are talking the BCA. BCA is the one of the major role. They are playing one of the major role in uplifting of the bank, or in uplifting of the poor person. Right now we have appointed 209 BCA, and they are going different villages customer, enrolling the customer, giving the insurance schemes, especially to the poor people regarding PMJDY, SBY, where there is a low income group person are there, enrollment of the BCPA and opening of the accounts. These are the BCPA's tasks, and they are perfectly doing the work. We are in the process of appointing another 100 and 102 BCA, so that we may make a penetration in the deepening of the villages and to cover all the people who are still not to be covered, still not covered. Because right now the Punjab is a very literate. If we are talking about a literacy, the literacy is a very good here. So most of the people understand this thing. The person who are coming outside from the Punjab, probably they are not aware about the banking facilities. So we are telling in a banking facility and covering all those people who are still to open the account or who are still to take a credit from the Gramin Bank, Punjab Gramin. Now, given to the USB of the we have covering the people and making in a such a way that we are making the group in a JLG or in a self-help group. You all people are very learned people. You know what is the JLG. You need not to explain the JLG and self-help group. This is one of the big example of the Bangladesh. This is one of the success story, and our success story is also there. We are keeping it credit. We are penetrating the person. We are penetrating in the villages to come in the self-help group, to make the self-help group and make the habit of that deposit and make the habit of the keeping the money in the accounts, and to come take an advantage of the credit. And to uplift this person, we are giving a 20 lakh rupees loan to the JLG and to the self-help group also. We are talking about the collateral security. There is no collateral security up to 20 lakh rupees. And the self-help group, we are giving in a 10,000 rupees per person, and to make to the 50,000. That is the minimum, and we can go for that. If we are talking about a self-help group, it is a member of 10 to 20 and JLG 4 to 20%. So right now we are giving we are making a habit to make a self-help group with the poor people to make an income, because the main source of the income in the Punjab is an agriculture income. We're giving that if you want to earn an income, especially to the one people, we're giving an uplift the one people so that they may get the income from apart from the agriculture, they can get the income also. These are helpful, and right, and simultaneously when we are making a self-help group, we are giving a credit to those persons. We are making an assured that they will get instead of habit of the saving the money, they will get the credit of that also. So we are ensuring that person in the self-help group, we made in a 991 from 2021 and given a credit of rupees 899 crore rupees. And in the next year, we have a jump of 1320. Right now, I am talking about December. GLG is a 1320 and 24.99 crore rupees. These are the figures of the microcredit. If we are talking about self-help group in the 21-22, it's a 1017 and GLG is a 11019. And credit is again 17.74 and 20.30 up to the December. These are our financial inclusion. These are our pillar, and our credit is dependent upon the pillar because we are working in the villages. So our main customer base is villages people who are getting an agriculture income, and we want to uplift from the society and give a credit to those people. And we want that there will be an alter source of the income. So we want to be keeping it in the 4 pillar and working on those 4 pillar, giving it to the credit of these people, giving an inculcate to the habit of the saving and to the insurance of these people. Thank you. And now, sir, you can ask any questions. Thank you for giving us.
Sir, very good, precise presentation on financial inclusion. In fact, what is your absolute numbers are very fine and very impressive. What is the way out? Now from here, where do you want to upscale? To which extent? What are your next activities?
Next activity is that we are upskilling those DCA person, FSC person, and giving in a one. We have open in one training center. We are giving a training to those people who are willing to go to those villages where they are unbanked. That's why we have a such type of a team. Most of the people are from the rural area. They know the background of the rural area. They know the difficulty of the rural area. That's why our success story is this, that we have achieved all the target within a sufficient margin and a lot of percentages.
Thank you, sir. Please continue the good work.
Sir, in your presentation, I have seen the numbers are the recovery level is more than 100%. Some of
Yes,
the
sir.
figures.
Yes, sir.
So was the planning very poor or low? So suddenly the improvement is more than 100%. What is that?
You are talking about the recovery.
I'm talking about, you have shown some numbers, say 800% or something like that. What was that?
I think that may be due to weak base level. It is base effect.
Yeah, we
Okay.
have only working in the because base
Yes.
effect. We are only 425 branches in the.
It is due to weak base effect.
Okay. Then what is your recovery level, sir?
Recovery level, if we are talking about recovery level, we have a very good recovery level. More 80% is the recovery level.
Okay.
Hmm.
But we had in past some presentations from West Bengal and other states. There the Gramin banks are having more than 90% recovery level, sir.
90% is recovery level is different way, but 80% is recovery level. Right now, if we are talking about this year, recovery level is less because of this COVID situations. I am talking about this year because of this COVID situation. Number one agitation of this Punjab people. Number three, there was one rumors that all the loans will be maaf ho jayenge, all the loans will be waived out. That's why there's the recovery percentage. This we accept it, and 100% we give an assurance that our recovery level will be at top of that recovery level. Whosoever are we right now, if we are talking about the all RRB, we are. If I are talking about the all RRB, then we are on the third position. If we are talking about the PNB sponsored RRB, we are on the top position. Either it is from the deposit, either it is from the financial inclusion, either it is from the front of the recovery, either it is from the connection of the giving the credit to the work.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sir.